Morocco has been shaken to its core as a powerful 6.8 magnitude earthquake struck the nation, leaving behind a trail of destruction and despair. This seismic event, the most robust in 123 years, occurred in the high Atlas Mountains, approximately 72 kilometers southwest of Marrakech, the fourth largest city in Morocco. With at least 296 lives lost and many more injured, this tragic incident has sent shockwaves through the country and beyond. The earthquake struck shortly after 11 p.m. local time on a fateful Friday evening, as reported by the United States Geological Survey, USGS. While seismic activity is not uncommon in this region, a quake of such magnitude had not been witnessed in over a century. The USGS stated, since 1900, there have been no earthquakes of magnitude 6 or larger within 500 kilometers of this earthquake, and only 9 with a magnitude of 5 or larger. The epicenter's location, deep within the high Atlas Mountains, added to the complexity of the situation. The shockwaves reverberated across the country, affecting provinces and municipalities, including Al Haus, Marrakech, Ouarzazate, Azilal, Chichaoua, and Taroudant. The Moroccan Interior Ministry provided an early assessment of the devastation, emphasizing that the reported number of casualties and injuries was preliminary. According to a provisional report, the ministry stated, the earthquake killed 296 people in the provinces and municipalities of Al Haus, Marrakech, Ouarzazate, Azilal, Chichaoua, and Taroudant. Additionally, 153 people were injured and hospitalized, many of whom are fighting for their lives. While Morocco has experienced seismic activity over the years, the magnitude and impact of this earthquake harken back to the devastating 2004 Al Hoceima earthquake, which claimed over 600 lives. The Al Hoceima earthquake, with a magnitude of 6.3, struck an active plate boundary on Morocco's northernmost coast, bordering the western Mediterranean Sea. The memory of that tragedy still haunts the nation, serving as a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of earthquakes. Morocco finds itself grappling with the aftermath of a devastating natural disaster, as hundreds of lives have been lost and communities have been torn apart. This powerful earthquake serves as a somber reminder of the vulnerability of regions prone to seismic activity and the importance of preparedness and disaster mitigation efforts. As the nation mourns its losses and extends support to those affected, the international community also stands in solidarity with Morocco during these trying times. While the road to recovery may be long and arduous, the resilience and strength of the Moroccan people will undoubtedly shine through as they rebuild their lives and communities in the wake of this tragic event. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenya News channel.